Welcome to Serene Paradise in the heart of the coveted community of Bayberry Bluffs. Your dream of owning a refreshing escape awakens at this fully updated 4-bedroom, 3-bath beach cottage. Experience a private retreat surrounded by nature's beauty, where the lively town of Duck Village is a pleasant stroll away. Enter inside where the bright and airy great room greets you. In the heart of the home, the chef's kitchen with glistening stainless steel appliances and an inviting eat-on bar awaits your culinary adventures. Unwind on the expansive screen porch or bask in the sun on the grand deck made with enduring composite decking. On the main level, you'll find a primary bedroom with an ensuite bath. Alongside, one more bedroom and an additional flexible space. Heading to the ground level, you'll discover a versatile game room with a kitchenette and a full-size refrigerator. This beach cottage isn't just your new home, it's where life's best moments await. To make this slice of paradise your very own, or to set up a private tour, please contact us today. And don't forget, for more 411 on the Outer Banks, please like and subscribe below. Thank you for joining and have a wonderful day.